What's up, YouTube? D-Rob back in the house. Today we're going to do another video on the Herakles Plus sub-ohm tank rebuild. Okay, dropping down, I got the whole coil cleaned out. See, it's empty. I got a pre-made Canthar coil, 22 gauge, 5 wraps. Just going to try to insert the leads that's hanging out the bottom with the little indentions on the side. So I'm going to put that right there, line it up. Get my screwdriver. Take it through the coil and out the other side. While I'm holding that, I'm going to go ahead and grab this grommet. Put one on the inside, one on the outside. This grommet is kind of messed up, but it still should work. Like so. Once you got that together, get your lead straight, like so. Now, you can actually cut these leads, cut them short as possible. Like so, it's the outside. Click this one. Okay. Put your base back on. Like so. Now you can take it back out, take the screw out, and there's my coil. Now we're going to wick it. I got a couple of strips already cut of some 100% organic Japanese cotton, I'm sorry. And what I'm going to do is just roll one in, like so, with my fingers, like this. You get that good little point. And this point is going to go right through this coil I just made. Okay, this is what it should look like. I got all 4 ports, got cotton going through them. Actually, one is at the bottom of the coil. This is what you do. Cut your leads off. Right there. Just clip them off kind of short. You don't want them too loose or you don't want them too tight. This is what you done got. Okay. Ready to go. All I'm going to do is use this. I'm going to fluff the cotton a little bit. Just fluffing it up so I can fill that gap once I wick it. Like that. Now all we got to do is wick it and see how it works after we put our popper stopper back on. I really don't have to use this for real, but I'll put it in there. I usually don't use them. Alright, we're going to wick this up real good and see how it works. Oh, one other step. This is what I need to tell you. Okay, we're going to wick it, right? Get it nice and soggy. All you're going to do, get it nice and soggy. Maybe a bit much, but this is how I do it. This is what works for me. Once you get it nice and soggy, this is the trick. Make them fill the holes. Hold it. This is the messy part too. But you just put it in your palm and do like this. Just roll it. Put a lot of pressure on it so I can cover those holes on there. You get e-juice everywhere, but it works. Just like this. Make sure it's flat. Make sure these Cotton is out the threads way. And you should be good to go. Let's vape this. Okay, here's the finished product of the Herakles Plus. It's a 5-ohm build. I'm gonna get a couple prime pulls first. And see what it do. I'm at 32.6 watts, so let's see what it do. Vaping like a champ. Well, that's my review on the Herakles Plus sub-ohm rebuild. Have more videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.